Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm dressed for the occasion today because today I have a Jacquemus unboxing for you guys. So if you're interested about which bag I picked up, then keep on watching. Hi guys, so I just wanted to hop in on here and tell you guys that over 90% of you guys watching my videos aren't subscribed, and it would mean the world to me if you guys can just hit that little button down below. It's free and you will always stay updated with my videos. And let's continue. Hi you guys, so I actually ordered a bag off of Jacquemus and I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm doing a little unbagging because I actually went into the box already. So it came in a cardboard box and it came in this dust bag with the return label and a thank you card, a merci card. And I actually picked up a bag that I'm super excited about. I've been waiting for this bag quite long because they had a lot of orders. I actually had to contact customer service because it took so long. It took like 18 days. And if you guys don't know, I live in Germany, so it usually doesn't take that long because the bags are directly shipped from France. But it arrived finally today, and I thought I would be really fitting with this bag because it is in a similar color to my outfit. It's so adorable. So it came in this Jacquemus bag, like all Jacquemus bags come. And I'm here to reveal, isn't it so pretty? This is the Jacquemus Le Chiquito Moyen bag in the light pink color, and I wanted to share with you guys like a little unboxing, like I said, and what fits inside as well. So if you're interested, I hope this is the right video for you. So let's talk some technicalities first. So I actually paid 575 euros for this beauty. It also comes in so many different colors, like I haven't counted, but I'm pretty sure it's like 10 colors, from black to white to orange to green to blue. They have a lot of different color option in this bag, and there are other sizes of this bag. I'm pretty sure this size is pretty new, and I just immediately was drawn to the size. So let's see also what fits inside, because I am not sure if my phone is gonna fit. So the measurements are 18 centimeters wide, 13.5 centimeters high, and then the deepest point is 7 centimeters. But keep in mind that the shape like of the bag kind of limits what you can put inside, because it's actually carved in here and here, so it's actually not that roomy inside. And it also, like other Jacquemus bags, has this magnetic flap that closes really strongly, and then you have this flag. Oh, it smells really good. And then it is in this cloth material inside, and on the inside I have some paper. This is the tag. Does it say anything? No, it just says like the Le Chiquito Moyen and light pink. So this is the tag that you would get if you would purchase in the store, and then it also comes with the shoulder strap. So let's unwrap the shoulder strap really quickly. I'm not sure, I want to be like really careful because I don't know like how fussy they are with, if I'm not deciding to keep it, like how I can send it back. So I wanted to be really careful with that, but oh, so gorgeous. So this is the same strap as my Chiquito, Le Chiquito long. I also have that in the green color, and I think this is pretty much the same size. Yes, it also has 5 holes, so it is adjustable with 5 settings, which I really love about Jacquemus. You can really adjust the straps, which you don't have with a lot of other luxury brands. And then you have the branding on this claw clasp, which is in a beautiful gold color. Like the gold is stunning. It's really shiny. It really looks very high end. And then obviously you would attach it on the side. So let me do that. Alrighty. And this is what the strap looks on. I think this looks amazing. Oh, this is so nice. I love this. I said that in the last video, I think, as well, with the Le Chiquito along, and I also did a Le Bambino Grande unboxing as well. I will link those down below if you're interested, but I love the stitching. I sometimes do not love the contrast stitching that a lot of other fashion houses do, so I love that the stitching just matches the back. I just think that gives it a really streamlined look, especially because it's such a bright, bold color. But I really, really love this for summer. So let's try it on, shall we? All right, so this is me. I don't know if you can see me full length because I'm filming on my phone, but this is me on the middle setting. So I could also do it a little longer if I wanted to, but I actually like the length. I don't know how I'm feeling about this touching my boob. I'm not sure, but I think it is so cute, and it just goes perfectly with the shirt, to be honest. I kind of planned this, but I didn't really know like the exact color, but oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. I can really imagine this with like little cute summer dresses. And then obviously you can also wear it on the side like this, just as a little shoulder bag. And then you can also double up the chain or the strap and just wear it like this, or wear it on the crook of your arm like this. So I think judging from like how you can wear it, I think this is pretty versatile. So you can wear it a lot of different ways. It has an inside pocket that you can't really use, and then it has this gorgeous little Jacquemus. I will insert a picture, little pink leather piece on the inside pocket. Otherwise it's plain, there's not much in there, but so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's a smooth cuff leather, so you need to be really careful with scratches, although I think this is gonna be quite fine on the corners. Like on the inside you can see that it's already like wrinkled. It's just because it's leather, and it's a little wrinkly here, which is just like from assembling the bag together, to be honest. I like how you can open it. I like how this opens and like stays like this. I think it's pretty cool. So let's see what will fit inside. I'm dying to see what will fit inside. So I brought some items here. The most important thing is actually my phone. So let me get a phone case really quickly, because actually I can't show you with the phone. Let me get a phone case and I will tell you guys, and then I will film some more clips and lay them over of me putting stuff in there from above so you guys can see better. Okay, so I actually have the iPhone 12 Pro, the small one, not the Max one. This is a phone case that I use. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't fit sideways. You would have to slide it across like this. Ooh, I don't know if I like that. And then I really, really need my keys, so let's put that in here as well. The problem is that I don't know if this is gonna be like if this is gonna show the real capacity, because obviously my phone is not in the phone case, so I'm not sure. Like I will overlay, you guys will know before me, because this is like a real first impression and I don't know how else to like film it. So yeah. And then maybe let's try card holder. So this is the Miu Miu card holder that I have. Okay, well, I have to say this is empty, so probably takes up a little more space. And then we'll have a lippy and my AirPods. So let's see. Oh, this will just about close. I don't know how good this is, you guys. Can you see? Okay, let's try to take out my phone. This would be way better. Like if I took out my phone, I could probably switch out the card holder for a wallet. This is my Louis Vuitton Zoe wallet, and this would fit no problem. And then my AirPods, again, I can just lay them on top. Nope, I can't lay them on top. Ah, this is tiny, guys. I always have this problem with Jacquemus bags. Okay, so if I wanted to take my wallet, I would have to leave out my AirPods. This sucks. Or I would just have to take the key that I need and leave at home my key holder. This would also be an option. yeah, so I guess we'll see. I'll play with it. You guys will know my my comment. I will put a comment like in the description box of what I'm deciding to do with this. Like look wise, it's gorgeous. I just wish it would be like a little longer and a little taller, like just a little bit. I don't want the big one. This is why I love this size so much, because I didn't want the big one. But right now I'm not sure because it really doesn't fit much, which is like normal with the Jacquemus bags. I know that that happens, but Le Chiquito long, because it's a little longer, it fits my phone. So, well, might have to get a smaller phone. I think smaller phones are actually becoming a trend again, or like these flap phones that you can just like fold. I don't know. But what do you guys think? Do you think I should keep this? 575 euros, guys. I love the color. Like, I love the look. I just love the look. I think it's so gorgeous. So tell me down below what you think. Yeah, so this was my review. I don't know, guys. I will update you, or maybe I'll pin a comment or something. I'll update you, but tell me guys what you think down below. I would really like to know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think about Jacquemus, because I feel like a lot of people are obsessed with them and some people are just like, nah, I'd rather stick with the more like established brands. So tell me down below what you think about Jacquemus. I'm really curious. And other than that, guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!